Oh, 37% battery, nice. Well, that'll keep it a short little test. How you doing, guys? You have now just witnessed, last week, the assembly of the helmet. Let's hear the audio. Talking. Let's talk. Let's talk about stuff. Alright, that's visor up. This is visor down. There we go. Alrighty, guys. Let's talk audio. Are we talking audio? Can you hear me? Travis in the future, how pissed off are you right now on a scale of 1 to 10? I'm hoping it's 1. Hoping it's 0, actually. Although that would invalidate the test. Never mind. While we still have battery power, let's give this new audio test some little discussion here, huh? Let's talk channel updates. So, as far as people have been asking if I'm going to be at SoCal Motovlogger Meetup, the answer to that is a stern no. As much as I would love to go, I just can't. I can't afford it. I can't afford the plane ticket. I can't afford the time off. We're real short-staffed at work right now, and I'm the bigwig there, so to speak, out of 2 people. But long story short, it's not going to happen. I would love to do a motovlogger meetup. I just don't think I can make it to California. The furthest west I've ever been is actually in Minnesota. I've never gone any further than that. You guys have probably explored a lot more of these roads than I have, you know? And I'm jealous. I really am jealous. I want to do some touring on the Scout, man. If I had it my way, I'd put some, I put passenger floorboards on this bike, throw a little temporary windshield on there, and just take all the time off I needed and just head straight to California from Virginia. I mean, that's probably that's basically 3,000 miles right there. I have to change my oil when I start the trip and change my oil when I get back. Hello, policeman. Oh, you're just a plant. What's some other channel updates? Well, let's talk about Twitch. I know if you guys are watching here, there's a good chance you don't watch me on Twitch just because I haven't found out the right way to cross-pollinate that audience yet. Spreading all my seed all over you guys. Anyway, I did start using Discord. I got the guys in the Indian Motorcycle World group here on YouTube using Discord. We have our own personal channel for that. That's not really open to the public at the moment, but what is my Discord. Click the link down in the comments. In my Discord channel, we chat about all sorts of shit, man. From channel updates, to announcements, to going live notifications on Twitch. Hell, come in there, share memes if you want, who cares? As long as you're a fan, you're welcome. So come on in there, let's talk about bike stuff, let's talk about video game stuff, who knows, who cares? Let's just have a good time. Any other channel updates? I'm still waiting on getting some business cards out. Business cards will come soon. What I'm currently waiting for is my graphic design artist. I'm having a whole new logo made up for the channel. I'm really enjoying it so far. I think the final product is going to be great. I love the artist who's working on it, but I don't want to reveal too much right now. I want to unveil it to you guys all in one video. And while we're on that note, guys, come into my Discord, PM me on Discord, again, down at the link below, or anywhere else you can PM me. Don't put it in the comments. But give me your mailing addresses if you want a spam card. Because once the new design's out, I'm also going to make some stickers. It's going to be a grand old time. I'll finally be able to catch up to all you other guys with all your stickers, and your cards, and your official YouTuber stuff that I've never been able to take part in yet. And on the note of all my other buddies in the Indian motorcycle world, if you haven't caught it live, we actually just last night did a live stream together, you guys. It's a pretty good time. We're talking about Indian motorcycle news, all the new Raptor engines / Raven. There's a video here I made talking about the Indian Raven if you want to check that out. But we got some more developments going on, and we talked about it more in the live stream there. You can click that video if you want to check it out, or you can check out the link in the description for our live stream below. So with all that left on the table for you guys, I'm going to head on out of here. I'll give you guys a break with the stuff to do. So I'll catch you in my Discord or either one of these 2 videos. Peace out, guys. Catch you later.